Okay, after we process the picture from the RIP software, then we can start to print the picture. First we go to setting, and we must be sure the channel is normal. And we go to check other settings. Here is the mineral print. If you did the mineral print from RIP software, from here, open the RIP software, we print the picture. And here, if you already choose, let me convert to English version. So if you want to change the language, we go to here, showing. You can find the language which convert to English. And here, if you print here you can choose horizontal mineral. If you already choose the horizontal mineral from here, then we open the software here, control software here. We just choose here no mineral. Just keep one software by mineral is okay. And then hit select as default. Speed as you want. For high quality, we choose the right or to left. And also, if you can make a good alignment for bad selection, you can also print it by bad selection for faster speed. And here, other I choose as default, no change. The margin we change, the margin we want print. The film maximum size is 40 centimeter, 400 millimeter. That depends on the size of your image also. Then we go to click spot, and we must open this icon, the setting. We must choose the source by RIP because we already create the spot channel from Photoshop. So we just click RIP. If you click full coverage, then the printer will start to print white ink by any color pixel position, but not from the RIP spot channel. And also you can choose the image. The best quality, the best setting and print picture is for create process from Photoshop, then create from RIP, and we start to print the spot channel, but not by the software automatic detection. And ink amount we choose 100%. If you think ink is leaking, we can cut down a little bit. Then click save. And then we go to find out the file we want test print. Here's the file we want test print. And now the white ink is printed by 100% white ink. So if the white ink is overlap, is dropping, we can set the ink amount. We right click the mouse and we choose the task setting. And here we can go to cut ink. We cut the white ink by 65%, 60% about the white ink. The KCM, LCM do not change. If we change the amount here, if we change the color, we click OK. And also here you can set the copies. For example, this image, totally the image you want to print by 10 pieces. You just click 10 by Y account. But the maximum size for X cannot over bigger than 400 millimeter. The Y cannot bigger than 100 meter because the DTF film is 100 meter per row. After we set like this, then we click OK. And then we can start to print the picture from the film to the film. Then we click print. Then printer start printing. For print, we must be sure we check the setting for the control panel of the temperature. Front 55 degree, right 55 degree, and the vacuum is grade 2 or 3. This will adjust the vacuum. The vacuum power we keep as 3 is okay. Then we can see the printer start to print the white ink layer first. And here also we must be sure the metal pieces installed wire at the left side to the middle to the edge of the film at the right side and left side to prevent the film bending to scratch print head. So we can see here now print the white layer first. Then we can see the color layer printing coming. Now I print to left. Later we can try print to right or bad direction for faster speed. Then we can also start to power on the power processing machine. We power on the general power and we keep the emergency buttons pulled up. And then we open the baking oven and the temperature is 110 voltage. And then we open the shaking option to be sure the film can be shaked. Speed we keep as 40. And then we open the spray function to make the film spray down. The speed we adjust to 40, 45, to 35, to 30 was normal speed. And be sure the film is checking. If they're not clear, the checking still have some waste powder on the film, then we can increase the speed more quickly. Normally we just keep as 40. And then for the take up device, we keep to the grid generator 1, grid top, to make the film can be rotary up. There's a sensor at the middle of at the bottom of the film. So when the film touches the sensor, then the take-up device starts to rotary. So you can see the rotary is moving. And the baking oven is working. You can see the print result is good. Very nice. And also we can see the print picture. It's no overlap. White layer, color layer, all very clear. So this is a procedure to make a print on the film with good quality. And also if you have the air processing device, we must power on it and reset the fine values to generation 1, Gen 1. Then the waste ink from the baking oven will be sucked to the field to process it. So this is all the procedure to print for the Focus Nebula 42F DTF printer. Good quality printed by Focus 42F DTF printer. You can see the print out picture. Small dots, really clear, high resolution. and vivid color. Let's print out.